G'day, welcome back to the Etsy Shop Spring Clean Challenge. This is day 8. My name is Jess Van Den and I've been running my own business Ethereal on Etsy since 2008 and I'm still running it to this day. Okay, so we've done a lot to our shops so far. Today I want to encourage you to work on a very often neglected or ignored part of your shop, which is not even technically a part of your shop at all, and that is your personal profile. So when somebody lands on your Etsy shop, they'll see your banner, they'll see your logo, but they'll also see your personal profile photo. Then if they want, they can click on that and it will take them to your personal Etsy profile. So you want to make sure that your photo and your personal profile are up to date and they tell people what you want them to know about you. This is especially important if you started on Etsy as a buyer and never really filled this in or filled in details that perhaps you don't really want people to know, or they're things that are irrelevant to your position now as a seller. So you might not have ever updated this. Now, earlier in the challenge, you updated your banner and potentially also your logo. Today, I want to encourage you to update your photo so that it is in line with the rest of that branding. Ideally, you're gonna have a photo of your face to show people who you are, a real person. And I want you to think about the styling in that photo, the clothes you're wearing, the background behind you. If you can, make sure to have a photo there that uses the colors that are your brand colors to bring everything together and make it look cohesive and professional. That may mean you need to take an updated photo today, or it may mean you just need to trawl through your selfies on your phone to find one that's appropriate. Then have a look at what you've written in your personal profile. Now, sometimes people get a bit confused here about what goes in your personal profile versus what goes in the about section on your shop. So you've already updated the about section on your shop. And if you did the workshop I sent you to and you had a look at mine and maybe some other people's, your about section will have a little bit about your story, but it will also then kind of speak to your customer and tell them why they should love what you do, or why they will love what you do. Your personal profile, however, doesn't need to do this. Your personal profile is just about you. So here is where you can get a little bit more indulgent and go into a little bit more about who you are and things about you that might be even outside of your shop specifically. So maybe you want to tell people a few of the other hobbies that you do. Maybe you want to tell people a little bit more about your family or about your pets or about where you live or what you're interested in. Just be real here, be a real person, be personable, and tell people a little bit more about you and what you love and what you're all about. Again, this is simply another opportunity for people to connect with you as a real human being on a personal level. So make sure your photo is up to date, it's in line with the other branding in your shop, and make sure the information in there is up to date. I mean, as I'm recording this, I haven't updated my own personal profile in, honestly, I literally cannot remember. It would have been many years. So I'm going to do that along with you in this challenge, and I'm going to go update my own to make sure that it is up to date and telling people what I want them to know about me and the things that I'm interested in. And that is it for today. If you are enjoying the challenge, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below when you have done the challenge for today. If you've just found this video and you're wondering what the challenge is all about, I will link the playlist for the challenge below so you can find out more about it and perhaps start from the beginning and work your way through. Thanks so much for joining me. I've really been enjoying this. We've got 2 days left. Let's finish strong. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9 of the Etsy Shop Spring Clean Challenge. Bye for now.